it's building because it's frame by frame, isn't it, as well?
Yeah, yeah, that's essentially it's essentially data that's tied to these separate frames.
Yeah,
So
I
what we
love
had to do for this animation was essentially there were so many effects going on that we had to export it as a PNG sequence. So each frame has its own image that's tied, that's then imported into another After Effects file in a timeline. That's essentially like a stop motion animation of these frames, which, I mean, it's what a video is anyway. But
yeah.
it's, it's
But sometimes you do have to break it down to these essential parts, don't you, to remember that you can do other things with the technology. Like if you can extract each frame of the video, and I don't know whether it's some kind of Java technology or whatever it is, but the Lottie file will then allow you to um, adapt or play the video back with various different in response to different user controls on the website. If you're scrolling up and down, you can have the animation respond and react to the inputs or the way that you person's using the website. It's
Yeah, exactly.
interactive.
I
I
think
find.
it gives the web developer, like in particular, a much more a much larger scope to play around with these videos. I think essentially with Lottie, it gives them a lot more creativity. I think it's some of the animations were looping. It's quite a lot of information, and some of the looped animations were about 40 seconds long per loop. They were seamlessly looped, but 40 seconds as the main chunk of it. And I think when you've got a Lottie file that's that intricate, that extensive, without losing quality, it would just there wouldn't be that much benefit rather than using WebM. So we discussed a little bit about that and ended up using WebM specifically for these animations.